Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the SOG Kiku XR. This model features a 3.03 CTS-XHP Blade. So you know it's got really good edge retention. Definitely one of the higher grade steels. It's about 7.3 inches overall. What's cool is we're seeing a lot of their kind of standard models going into this new XR mechanism, which is super nice. Nice and smooth. Pull down on both sides. Just pretty much closes on itself. Super convenient, one-handed. Weighs at a nice 5.6 ounces. So it's got some good beef to it, but super durable. Quite comfortable as well. It's got a reversible clip as well. Deep carry. Super nice knife, and it's got that, of course, the Untitled Micarta handles. What's cool is it looks like they're just on the top scales, so you could probably customize it to whatever type of handles you'd like. I really like the blade. Super nice little knife. Definitely a great EDC. So make sure to get yours today at Blade Ops.